सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेले कोंकणी खाण आनी जेवण चॅनलांतू सर्वांके स्वागत. आमची गेले रमदेई, गशी, सुकें, उकरी, मिठसाणीचें, गोडसाणीचें सगळें करचें विवरण आमी घालेलें आसा. तें सगळें तुमकां उपकारा जातन म्हणून लिखीत. वीडियोस लायक कराय, शेयर कराय, सब्सक्राइब कराय.
Koduvi Ghassi. During monsoon season, you can easily find Koduvi growing luxuriantly in your backyards. Koduvi, as the name suggests, are very bitter leaves, but we GSPs know to unlock the powerhouse of nutrients in them and use them to make very tasty dishes. We can find Koduvi in fields also most of the time, but it is in rainy season that their leaves are comparably bigger. I have them growing in my flower pots, so I can always get them to make a variety of dishes like Koduvi polo, sukken, Koduvi odi, Koduvi humman and Koduvi Ghassi too. Today let's see the recipe for this Ghassi. I have collected the leaves and cleaned them thoroughly. Keep aside. Now I need 2 tablespoons of soy bajla masala. For the soy bajila masala, the key ingredient is the copra. Slice it thinly and grate in a mixer. You can also use a matured coconut and grate as usual. Take half a cup of grated coconut and add in a thick bottom or non-stick kadai and roast over a medium flame. When it has turned brown, add 1 tablespoon of urad dal for thickness. The quantities you add can be adjusted as per your personal taste preferences. 1 teaspoon of methi seeds for aroma and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds for flavor. When the coconut has turned dark brown, add a 1/4 teaspoon of haldi and some chilies which have previously been roasted in a teaspoon of oil. Chilies to be added according to your spice tolerance. When cooled, grind the mixture, preferably without adding water. Now your soy bajila masala is ready. Add the masala in a pan. Add about 2 cups of water and dissolve the masala in it. Add 1 small piece of dhania salt or Malabar tamarind. You can also use the regular tamarind. Now bring this to a boil, stirring in between. When this is boiling, add 1 cup of the clean leaves. Mix well and let cook. Add salt to taste and mix. Let simmer for a few more minutes. Now your tasty Ghassi is ready without any trace of bitterness. Enjoy this with hot rice or patch.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.